This one is new pen camera. This is new setup. This pen camera. This charging cable. USB to B3. USB to B3 charging cable. This is the pen. This side memory card. This side charging connector. Memory card, charging connector. This side camera. This side LED light. This one off on button. I put the memory card. This is 8 GB. Now I put it memory card. This is 8 GB. This camera maximum 32 GB memory. Now this one open. Light coming. Then 3 seconds blinking. This button 3 seconds press. Just light close, video working. Then this press. This one press 1. Now video safe. Then closing. Wrong press. Close. Remove. Put it. This set memory. This set have USB. This set have memory card. Catheter. The mobile. Close. I put it mobile. Go my file. USB. Video.